books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Good luck charm. Fans, may I have your attention, please? You're about to witness the most exciting impossible stunt maneuver ever performed in history! Bucky, yay! You're the bear! All right! Way up there in the air, it's Bucky Bear! Wave to him, kids! Wow, that was so neat! Bucky, you're awesome! Sure, that was great. If you were trying to be boring, let me have a turn. Please! You could never beat my most exciting impossible stunt maneuver!
Goodness, Bucky, does Bjorn really know what he's getting into?
He's fine, but if something does happen, he'll probably land in that pile of leaves. Way up in the air? No! Look down there!
Bjorn, hey! Are you all right?
I warned you, didn't I? A stunt like that takes dozens of hours of practice. You can't expect to pull it off just winging it. The most exciting, impossible stunt maneuver. All right, I'm as good as Bucky. I can do this. I can't do this at all. Well, did I do it? Whoa, is this some kind of lucky clover? It brought me good luck. This must be how I was able to pull off the stunt. Oh, Bucky, just look at my super amazing maneuver. With the help of my lucky charm, there's nothing I can't do. Ha! Woohoo! Bjorn, hey there! I've been working on a brand new, amazing, impossible super stunt, dude! Is it as boring as the other one was? Watch my super duper mega uber big fat stuntaroo! Should I pile up some leaves first, in case this stunt goes down like the last one did? Hey, Bjorn! Just walk away before you hurt yourself. Now is the time. Ready, charm?
That was the bomb! Bjorn, yay! I thought no one could top Bucky's fancy maneuver.
Well, I have a brand new amazing or better or super or stunt maneuver. Hundreds of times trickier than your stunt. Well, my super mega turbo ultra big new trick is 1,000,000 times harder than yours is. Yeah? Then we're gonna settle this once and for all. 10 o'clock tomorrow here, the coolest trick wins. Good luck, you're gonna need it. To race the race, you gotta pump the pump to get your bike in shape to do the coolest jump. Can my lucky charm get me over the hump, or will the whole thing end with me on my rump? I'm training hard for the crazy ride. Will I bruise my bottom or bruise my pride? Hey, I think I better find a safe place to hide. My lucky secret weapon, keep it safe inside. Bouncing and bouncing, I'm testing my shots. Oh! Worrying and worrying, I think I need some bigger locks. Round and round again. I'm nervous as I've ever been. Protect my lucky charm and then I'll be gloriously victorious when it's 10. Are you serious, Bjorn? You're trying tightrope riding? Uh-huh, with some wheelies too, all going backwards. And did I mention I'll be blindfolded? Bjorn, buddy, have you completely lost your marbles? You are guaranteed to fall. Thanks to this, I'm not afraid of anything anymore. What is that? A piece of clover? What it is my lucky charm. I suggest you prepare yourself to get very beaten. Listen, Franny, we have to come up with a way to rescue Bjorn, otherwise he'll fall. The big dummy.
I know. What can we do?
I have an idea. Run and get the badminton net as fast as you can. Here comes my super duper glorious uber blow your mind bicycle stunt. Don't let me down, Lucky Charm. Bucky, oh help, please. So Bjorn, what happened to your Lucky Charm? I understand now. It was all nonsense. It doesn't work. You just need to take the time to practice. You know what? We could even practice together.
With you? Seriously? I'd love that, dude!
Straight down, turn right, then up and over, and that's it.
All right, I think I've got it now. Turn right.
Looking good.
Kinda wish I hadn't eaten all those waffles.
Yeah, me too.
Ghost stories.
In a dark, deep, dark forest lived a zombie vampire werewolf bear. And he gobbled everybody up with his awful werewolf teeth. Yeah. And they've not been heard from since.
Who now? The vampire, or the zombie, or the mummy, or the bear?
Huh? What? No, those are all just parts of the one bear. Come on. Ah, forget it. It's Franny's turn next.
Listen up while I tell the tale of Gigantic Gruntus. Gigantic Gruntus is a monster that lives deep in the woods. It comes out at night to hunt. It has 3 horns, 4 massively clawed paws, 2 slimy tails, 13 stomachs, and a long boogery trunk. It eats one thing only. All it eats is bears!
Giggity Gruntus, I'm not even that scared.
Gosh, Franny, you're really good at telling ghost stories. Gigantic Gruntus. Whoever said it was just a story? It's 1,000,000% real.
Yeah, right. I believe that, and I'm super scared. Aren't you scared, Bjorn?
Yeah. I'm terrified of a silly kid story. Fine. Then I'll just be heading home. And I'm taking my flashlight, too.
Franny, hey! I hope you don't get eaten by lame Gruntus. I called him lame Gruntus, dude. Guess it's time we went home. Let's take the tent down and deal with the fire. Boy, it's a little dark.
Yeah. Bucky, are you really sure Gigantic Gruntus is only a silly kid story?
Bjorn, I'm as sure as can be. Franny completely made him up. Well, here's where you go right and I go left.
Bucky, listen. Don't you think it's boring just walking by yourself? Would you walk with me until I'm home safe?
So, I guess I'm not in a big hurry. Walking down the perfectly safe path in the perfectly safe woods.
Bucky, what if this Gigantic Gruntus is real, just like Franny told us?
Bjorn, enough! You've got to stop with the big, scary Gruntus and hurry up! Well, Bjorn, we made it. There's your house.
Well, good night then. Hope you get home safe.
Bjorn, wait up! It's just that, I walked you here. It's only fair you walk with me. Plus it's no fun walking just by yourself.
Bucky, after I walk you home, you aren't going to walk me back to my place again, right? It'd just be so boring, walking home by myself.
You don't need to worry about that. We'll come up with a schedule, all right? Walking down the perfectly safe path and the perfectly... What the...
Gigantic Gruntus! Help! Open up! Franny!
I beg you!
Please open up! Bucky? Bjorn, hey, what's going on?
Gigantic Gruntus!
Gigantic Gruntus? But I just made that up, you silly boys.
But we saw him! He was really there!
There were 3 horns and really sharp claws, just the way you described him. Fine, then. Just come show me.
We'll take you to him, but first I'll invent a Giggity Gruntus Whomping Club.
Bucky, how can we be sure your Gigantic Gruntus Whomper will work right?
Of course it'll work. I built it, didn't I? You hear that, Whumpy? Don't let me down.
Gigantic Gruntus!
Ah! Please don't eat me! I taste
I'm
terrible!
too furry to die!
Ow! Get off!
Sorry. Let's take a look at your Gigantic Gruntus. An owl in a tree? You're the biggest scaredy bears ever!
Scared? I never actually said I was scared. Pretending, so you would be scared.
Uh-huh.
Gigantic Gruntus! Eat Bucky, he's yummy! I heard that.
No, help! It's Gigantic No more scary stories for you boys. Just stories about bunnies and cupcakes and naps. The fairest of them all. So, yes. Hey! Bleh. My stupid big ears are ridiculous. And don't get me started on my tail. Oh, I might as well give up. I'm not pretty. Not like these flowers are. They're just simply beautiful. And I'm just simply not. Wouldn't it be just wonderful to be a flower?
What do you think? Good, but there's something missing.
Yeah, it needs something beautiful.
That's it. Every first-class fountain needs to have a lovely statue in it.
Bucky! Bjorn! Hi there! You notice anything?
Jeez Louise, Franny. What's that thing on your head? Did you chug flower juice or something?
Hey, come on! Why are you laughing? Doesn't everyone think flowers are beautiful?
Yes, flowers are very beautiful, but a fox in a weird flower headdress thing? Not so much.
It's not like you guys are beauty experts or anything. Forget you guys.
Whoa! I know just what our fountain needs. Just right. Isn't it?
I'm not really sure it is.
Yeah, you're right, and I agree.
Chug flower juice, bah. They don't know what's pretty. Ah, fishy! It's so pretty. Wouldn't it be wonderful to be a fish?
Cool, right? Seriously? You want to put a recliner in the middle of a fountain?
Well, yeah, it looks nice, and you can climb up and sit on it.
I see. Just be sure to remember your umbrella.
Hey, guys! Notice anything? I'm really, really pretty like this, right? Ooh!
Franny's been eating too much sushi. Look, even a fish knows a chair shouldn't be in a fountain.
Franny, are you all right? Why are you a fish?
Because fish are beautiful. You don't get it.
I've got it, Bjorn. I know just what we need. Right? Ha-ha! Yeah! Ha! Right? Huh? No, not quite.
Huh? No, Ian's right.
Help us find the perfect thing we wish we might. Look at it, perfection itself.
That is 12 kinds of goofy.
Hey, this is not goofy. Chicky rocks. Hey, where do you think you're going? Get back here, stop. Disappointment. What is happening right now? A peacock's tail? Check it out.
Well, peacocks happen to be the prettiest birds on the entire planet.
Yeah, but a peacock is a peacock, see? And you can't be one because you're a fox.
This is just too much. Franny the peacock. Perfect. Too much. It's just so great.
This doesn't make me beautiful either. Stop laughing.
Franny, hey! Franny, wait, don't go. You hurt her feelings. Guess we both hurt her feelings.
Hey, dude, listen. I've got the answer to our fountain problem. Come with me, because I've had a thought that could unify the whole darn plot. We'll put the perfect thing in the perfect spot. 1, 2, 3. We've kind of both been lousy friends, so we'll make the thing that makes amends. Sweet Franny's happiness depends on you and me. Yes, sirree. Welcome to the grand opening of our brand new magnificent fountain. It's been a long, strange road, but at long last, it's completely done.
Come on, enough talk. Ready, set, fly!
What the huh? Is that me? You You guys put me in the middle of your pretty fountain? But wouldn't it be better to pick something beautiful?
Franny, what could possibly be more beautiful than you?
We think you're the most beautiful fox in the history of the entire planet.
Turn it on, Bjorny.
You're right. I don't look half bad up there. I'm really thirsty all of a sudden.